printing separations, or previewing separations is a better thing. So as a prerequisite, you should watch the process versus spot video located under level 4. Here, I have the swatches panel open, and I have 2 colors. Color on the left is formulated by 4 colors being stacked on top of themselves in multiply mode. This is to simulate what printing does. The one on the right is a spot color made by hand. We take ink, put it in a little container, and then we stir it all together in different percentages, and we get this. This is produced by printing on top of itself in transparencies, and then it adds up to be this color. So 2 different worlds, per se. But the worlds are alike in more than you know. Window, output, separations preview. Okay, you get this palette. Here we can kind of look at how it's being laid out. Okay, if I was to print out separations so I can make plates, this is what my green spot would look like. It's black. That means it's 100% that color. Okay? Let's go to black. It's a light gray. Why? Because it's actually 6% of black. So that's how it works. The lighter the gray value, the less the percent value. And until you actually print one of these out, you really don't understand that. But I'm going to try to explain it anyway. So you notice yellow is a lot blacker. It's 88% yellow. So as far as the ink goes, it's really being globbed on top. That's the only thing I can describe it as. It's like taking a paintbrush and putting a lot of yellow down. Pure concentrated yellow. Okay? But if I was to put black down with a paintbrush, it's a wash. It's like taking ink and watering it down way, way past the point of no concern, and you have a wash version of black. Now let's look at magenta. There's not a whole lot of magenta in this color. There is more cyan than magenta, but there is definitely more yellow than any of the other colors. When I click this one, this is a composite of that color. Okay? And lastly, if I click on this one. So by using the separations preview, we can get an understanding of what it's going to look like at print. So when I go to File, Print, and I choose Output to be separations, and choose my printer, I now know what my separations are going to look like without wasting a lot of paper. Alright, so that is previewing and printing separations. Enjoy.